This video will show you how to combine two halves of an image into one big whole using Adobe Bridge and Photoshop. So if you need to find Bridge, the first place to look is down at the bottom of the screen. Just hover over the bottom. And you're looking for a box that has yellow on the outside and says BR. Right now you can see that we have Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator, which we may use in the future, but Bridge is not here. So the next place to look is up at the top, where there's sort of an infinity sort of a sign. And this is Adobe Creative Cloud. It has all the different apps that they have available at the time. Here's Bridge, the BR with the yellow on the inside. So click on that and you can see at the bottom that it's opening up. And Bridge is pretty fast. There we go. There it is. So at this point you're ready to start merging images. Bridge is really nice that way. So in order to merge the two images together into one large image, you need to find those images, which I've placed on the desktop. And here they are. So I'm going to select them by clicking one and then holding Command and clicking on the second one. And then the next step is to go to the very top to Tools and go to Photoshop, Photo Merge. And that's going to open up Photoshop and it'll give you the option of skewing it in all these different ways. I'm going to choose Auto because I don't want it to be manipulated in any special sort of way. And then Photoshop is going to do the calculations that allows it to put them together into one image. And there you have it. Now at this point you're going to want to save it because it's got a really non-useful name, Untitled Panorama 1. You can save it as anything you want. And you oftentimes need to choose where to put it because it'll kind of randomly just select a place that doesn't necessarily help you. So I'm going to save this one to the desktop too. And you'll notice that it's saving it as a PSD, which means that it has more than one layer in it. That's totally fine. Alright, so now you have a file that has one half of the image and the other half of the image put together. And you can merge these down by merging layers, and that'll give you one single layer that's a JPEG. And you can save this one as something else. You can save this one, I'm going to save it as a JPEG just for future use, and save it to the desktop. And I'm going to save it at the maximum image quality. Alright, so that's how you merge two images together to make one large image.